Okay, I decided to go on and do a copycat of McDonald's Fil-a-fish. I bought these Gordon's fish sandwich. 100% whole fillets, not minced. These are wild Alaska pollock. So, you got to put it in the oven at 425 degrees on a baking pan, 16 to 18 minutes. Okay, it says to flip them after 10 minutes. I'm going to take one and I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to add some fries to there. And I got this tartar sauce. And then I have the some cheese that to put on it, like McDonald's does. If you don't want the cheese on it, then don't. Then I got King Hawaiian's hamburger buns. You can use any bun you want. But I just thought this would be a good way to have Fil-a-fish if you like that, and at a cheaper price, because this bag here I think was like $5 for 8 fillets. And then I'm gonna have fries too with it. So well, actually I'm gonna put tater tots. And at McDonald's you're gonna pay what, almost $8 or $9 just for a meal. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I got the fish done. It fell apart. I had some cheese on it, but it melted all over it. But that's okay. And then I toasted some buns. So I'm going to get that together while I'm waiting for my tater tots to get done. Okay, so I got that together, and that is my version of a McDonald's Fil-a-fish. Next time I won't put the cheese on to where it can melt so much. But let me see how it tastes. Yep, it's good. And probably better than what the McDonald's Filet-O-Fish is.